If you're looking to stop working harder and start making more money, avoid these costly mistakes in your cleaning business. Hello, it's Chanique here. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, we get into business, productivity, sales, marketing, cleaning business tips, entrepreneurship, and personal development. So if you find my content valuable, be sure to subscribe and join us. Look, if you're hustling, growing your cleaning business, trying to position your business as the next best thing, many of you are making the same mistakes I made that kept me stuck in my business. You're probably feeling frustrated. Trust me, I've been there, but here's the thing. The very things holding you back are actually the very things that's going to help you in your business sales. I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes slowing down your cleaning business sales. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to fix them. By the end of the video, you have a blueprint to take your business to the next level. First, you're pricing your services to cover your next bill, not the longevity of your business. You're competitively pricing your services, giving discounts, all hoping to get the next client. But you do not have enough money to cover labor, expenses, or supplies. The problem is you're not pricing for profit. You're just pricing for labor and expenses. Whether you are doing the cleaning right now, you're just covering your hourly and a few dollars left over to cover some supplies. Instead, we need to be considering the profit for every job and at the very least, a healthy margin throughout your business monthly. And not because you're not pricing right, you cannot afford to expand, helping you avoid burnout and being overworked. So you're still doing the cleaning yourself and you're neglecting other tasks, and now your business is running you instead of you running your business. So it's time for you to start working on your business instead of working in your business. That looks like start delegating tasks, hiring out a team, trusting people to do the job because you are going to show up as the leader and create great processes to do these things over and over again. Because remember, if you want to go fast, you could go alone. But if you want to go far, you need a team. The other thing leading to your burnout is the lack of systems and automation. That's everything in your business, or majority of it, is done manually. You're drowning in paperwork, double booking, scheduling is off, and you can't seem to ever replicate success. Therefore, I need you to price correctly, cover your expenses so that you could have more time and invest in automation and systems that's going to help you then back away from having to do so much of an overload work. You have softwares, apps that are helping your ability to lessen the mental fatigue so that you can focus on areas to see lasting growth in your business. What's lingering under the surface of all these symptoms? That is the fear of making mistakes. You're playing it safe in your business. You avoid taking risks. The truth is your fear of failure is failing you. The simple solution is truly to embrace mistakes. True learning comes from experience. No amount of YouTube videos is going to replace experience, you actually doing the thing. You can watch a 2-hour video that breaks down how to do anything. Unless you take those steps, you're not going to reach any success. So your ability to want to make mistakes faster, fail faster, will allow you to get the experience to be better. On top of that, you are also building so much self-esteem and confidence in yourself that you keep going on despite setbacks or failure. Make the mistake and make them fast. And what you happen to be is your worst enemy. You're overthinking every client interaction, whether you're going to fail, if you could be good enough, loud enough, smart enough. And what you end up doing is you start to talk yourself out of an advancement and sales and opportunities, networking, speaking to the right people, following up. Take all those negative thoughts, acknowledge them, and dismiss them. Change your mindset. Take captive of all thoughts that do not serve the future desires of your business, the revenue goals that you have, uproot them and replace them with it's going to happen. Because reality is you either think that way or you think the opposite. Either way, you're right. Either way, if you cannot make $10,000 this month, you're right. And by all means, continue to think that way and don't do anything towards it. Or you think opposite. Yes, I made $10,000, and you will move in motion of making that true. Your mindset is your secret weapon. Use it wisely. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time.